My album with Tiro is coming soon, very soon.
My album is coming.
Tiro nyangom picture. I don't know.
Even today, yo, we got bona even Gigi to me low so about 9. We are 8. I'm the 9th one. But wait till about 81. But level 80, so Kiona, what you've seen, the whole event, which is what we're going to be talking about today. Who is who of Sion Gospel is on the lineup and more. But ngasihlalosi everything today. Kinalaba twa dream 5 komrao baba ngakasibatla asiphelelanga. Mara ba hora ka muka. But from dumelang le kae?
Ashe.
Happy Kitsuri Zion Kids of News today. So Kitsuri Zion Kids Jama Mpela. Yes, to those who don't know, Kitsuri Zion Kids Jungamu Jake Utota, Sir Lecheo, Bagas Valoko, Lalba, remember the local, whenever Wabriski Polwen, Kitsuri Mpela, Aubrey, Host, yes. So, what are you? Hosi, oh yes, yes, Hosi, yes, song again, yes. So yeah, it's very Zion Kids, the Zion Kids that every Zion Kid that we know of, what that then Zion Kid defilage, right. Eric Tomika when I'm to introduce or Gwena Mangi, and which part do you play more local events?
My name is Wayne. I'm the one who runs the social media platforms via Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp, and also the email. I'm the one who manages everything.
Okay, so what about Babluti Gwankwen?
Yeah,
but one time I saw responding to a group, but when I was responding. Ele mwana kwa event kena abasali asala respond. Sebizo?
Okay, Galina like that's a piece of Magato, aka I represent Lukulu event. So I am one of the MCs for event Super Sports Ground Gadi 26. EP2. I'm representing. Okay, I'm Lukulu today.
Since you bad Dugu ya
Lukulu, yes. So about bang accommodate.
Ne?
Good one. But lalabon.
Zen Kid. Is it too much?
It's too much. There's some corrections. Everything.
Yes, did that.
Come on, man. Now like kids, I'm Sfiso, the stylist. There's some corrections every day. Change,
The Molokolo do the corrections.
Yeah.
Oh, corrections.
I mean, like, look how I look.
You're so young, Molokolo.
What
stylist Lona?
Not really, but
Okay.
you got to look presentable.
Okay, but then which part do you play Molokolo events? For the event.
I'm the influencer. I
Okay.
do the advertisement for the whole event.
Okay.
Yes.
Only something that I've seen recently, which for some didn't end well. There is a trend I'm seeing recently. For some, it didn't end well. For some, it ended a carry statement. For some, it ended a right. There is this trend there, event organizers, the influencer. No. Do you think it's working?
This thing of I feel like it's a bit wrong for event organizers to put brand ambassadors Modi posting. That was my first time seeing it. So I think the influencer, they always have to be behind. Abahlokagale mo godimo ga di-post.
Okay, tlhalosa why?
Because I mean, get the influencer. If you are allowing them to promote your event, let them do that outside the poster. Because let's say, for instance, now, I want to sponsor Minowa Sioni podcast.
Please do.
I want to. No. I post manifesta. No, give an example. Like,
Okay, I'm just
so
saying, yeah.
we want to focus on the artists, the people that are coming. We're not okay. Yes, there is a percentage that will come for the influencer. There's a percentage that will only come for the artist. It's not necessary. Can we only try going forward? Can we only try and focus more the artist?
A very good point. So the influencer, it should not be about them, because you saw again you mentioned Libiju. It's about the event, because now they have made the influencer the part of the event. They should just be behind, but push the event. It's perform anyway.
Exactly, because now we end up giving ourselves entitlement. Jagor, I bought a ticket to come and see Minowa Sioni podcast because of when. Well, I understand. So can we just refrain from putting influencers on posters and refocusing more the artist, because it all
I get your point.
Yes.
I get your point. Yeah, or influencer, the main artist, or what do you call it? The main act.
Yes, you are promoting again.
You are promoting what is already there.
Yes, you are not going to perform. So even if Madisha atlo perform.
Or promote the artist, how promote you for the event.
So PR nyaka we.
Ne? Eish. Mren, why launch this event? What's the way good to I'm arguing about an event specific. You understand that, because this thing the influencer, as he's saying, and some by Idiraro. Can you understand that? Because there will be some who babona, or maybe this thing influencer Baganya we did for future.
Yes.
Can you understand that? When I think you've been on this is the third one that I've seen you. Ne? Without mentioning names, with those ones that without mentioning names as well. When by included the influencer as part of the event, and
okay. Number one, I would like to correct some things.
Okay.
I've never been an event influencer.
Okay.
I've never been an event ambassador.
Okay. You mean before?
Yes.
Because now only
yeah, now I am,
yes,
but it's not. There's no a wedding that says Fiso is an ambassador of this event.
How do they when they approach you, Baring?
I was approached to advertise the event.
Oh.
But that's why I'm saying. That's why I'm saying I would like to do the corrections.
Also, by approach, advertise.
Yes.
But then if whenever approach or advertise the event, why
Yes.
then now do we have to take out statement?
No.
Advertise. Why also need to advertise?
That's why I'm saying I would like to do the corrections. Number one, the event that I took out the statement, I was never an influencer. I was more like a partner to the event.
Oh.
When the guy approached me, he approached me in a form of, no man,
Partner.
look, I want us to do this whole thing. Meaning, and when we say we are partners, you mean everything we're gonna share.
Be transparent.
You getting my point? I was approached as a partner of the event.
Oh.
Nothing else. That's why I had to take out the statement. I wasn't gonna take out my statement and say I'm no longer be part of this event. You can go through the pages. There is no picture that says Fiso was the ambassador of that event.
Okay.
I was a partner. Trust me, I was.
Right.
Meaning we sit down, we would discuss artists who should come to the event, who we must call. You getting my point? Yes.
Okay,
I
right.
was, yeah.
I think we can get it. Mara, you know what I think? Because now personally, I like or they are finding people by lowering they can. I think it is showing like a whole why what or Lina because I miss to for the shoot. Babang ba pull out before even 2 weeks after ba announce or get the advertiser. Anyway. Can I go understand now? King that works, or maybe it's a piece because when I will worry, and when maybe it might be personal, personal issues. Maybe Eric for another episode. Why do you think this thing? If I think when I will pull out on some as well, will pull out on some? As pull out or loyal. It's a piece. Maybe when I carry, King lowering it, but they pull out of the event.
It depends on how the approach was at first, ne? Because if I were to come to you, obviously, that's why currently it's really important to always make sure paperwork. Paperwork is very important because it will still keep a very distinguished relationship between Wena and the person that's planning the event. And paperwork, if Otoma Leona from the get-go in agreement, I don't think Okabali scandal after that. You would peacefully walk away or maybe lavali a certain agreement. Paperwork is very important. Now it's a learning curve for me. I told myself, oh, this is what I'm going to try to apply in each and every relationship I built with the event organizers. Agona motho no utswile he wa dirang le Sanchez statement, it's fine because I know re tla ba re sign ile go bile le a certain agreement ke tswile a gona motho a tlo questionang gore go diragetseng go a diragalang ditaba tša di statement bile di ka se tlhokagale because we did it in a professional way,
in an amicable way.
Yes.
So vele no nto e diwang go re no bolela fiso ke an event ke nyaka re organize ke nyaka untse go advertise sharp tla bolela jwang tsara two clip then re tlo go pele ke thoma go jiga but there is no agreement.
Exactly.
There is nothing
another thing, if maybe rebali agreement and okay wa sign this is a certain fee that we're going to work on. Wa dumela ra o dumele na, are we negotiating or we not negotiating? Then ra itswalla ra isila go assigniwa, then ke tsela ya gore le ka kgona go bereka to make things very simple, to make things also gore di flow. So ge go sena paperwork go sena le di-proof a bona a gona motho a ka tlang a re ena o right, a gona motho a ka tlang a re ena o wrong ka mokana ga lena leshala le sharakane
ne
wa kwishisha. So paperwork, take it the legal way, o ka se be le mathata
because there's been few pullouts. There's been whatever they leave the events most of the time, and it's not to say because it was public anyway. I get it. It's not like it was done with Kone.
Yeah.
I've seen Karabo doing it.
Yeah.
I think the same one that you pulled out on your one, right?
Yeah.
Karabo even before that pulled out on another one.
No. It was
There was another one and before. Yela Yaku, Yela, she was not part of Yela Yaku detenting. She was not part of. You were.
No.
You were not as well. But there's one who pulled out there as well. So, because as I'm saying, I see this thing, I can see it working, but it might have the challenge.
No, we are scared now.
Ne, while in Iberek.
I think it's all about communication, like being transparent and being clear and understanding each other, and actually not undermining people. Also, like if you don't undermine a person's section, like they did agree that they are influencers for the events, right? So, their role is very much important. Their role is very much like we are reaching more people because of them. So I think like we also appreciate them. That's why they're also here. You understand? So yeah, I think it's all about communication and being professional as well. Yeah.
I want to understand because these are terms: communication, but I understand transparency and was to urling or serious undermine. Transparency in terms of
being clear, like your role is to do this. We're gonna send you posters. We're gonna be sending you who's on the lineup. Maybe there's a certain artist like, okay, we're done with the poster. Use the poster. Can you push this? Okay, push it. In terms of like maybe if you wanna get paid. Okay, how much you wanna get paid? This is how much I wanna get paid. Okay, we give you the amount, or we negotiate and we give you the money. There's no problem.
Oh, garnum bija montrano ke influencer, then all of a sudden I feel like ba jari lo jelo re ngasa le kwane ka jona. So o define a role ya gage clear lore. This is your role.
And I think like in matters of fees on it, I think like you mentioned that people were thinking that he's an influencer. Other people are now he's saying that he's a partner. So actually as a partner, that means I'm also supposed to benefit certain things. You understand? Maybe they were treating him like what? An influencer and
or where else ba mmiditse as a
Yeah,
partner.
Yeah.
Oh, now during the announcement mara wena ga o tsebe mara o partner.
Maybe
Eh.
there's certain profits now, but how what roughly translate? Yeah.
You see now the importance of having people.
Yeah.
Ne o kgona go tseba
Very
gore
important.
wena o tsena kae o humana eng e felela moo ka tla go tsone o thoma go nyaka di-schedule mara ga se le kwane ka tsona
that was
wa
the
bona
problem.
ee no go jele gore sefiso
How do you think about what?
gore o tsena ko makuzumela ba gana then gane re kwane jwang ba fetso
Yeah.
a o mara gane a se re go botse wena gane taba go e felela mola o thoma go dia tsele go se ga lo poster le gona gore ba gana ke tsena makuzumela
Yeah, because it also led to people coming to me and also asking me, what is Dugu saying about this? I'm like, okay, mina ngeni ndawo.
about what
Like, our kiro shetje nabal.
o yela o sa le gona ee ke a gopola o shele le wena o ntse
So people come and say, Dugu ringa, na ke sharp.
Oh,
Na dilo tsa
wena
ka
ka
di
gore
sharp.
o ba phile
I'm
paperwork.
safe. Exactly.
flopo shewe sefiso
I think
Oh,
no,
na ke safe.
my problem with this whole thing was my kindness.
business thing
That's the problem. That's the
maiko
problem.
out nyana maiko
That's the problem. That's the problem.
iseng business thing ka
I,
la bereke
I was like, in this whole thing, I was like, nah, man, I'm in flesh with the flesh. Let's do this whole thing.
mara go ne anything
You, I wasn't looking for that anything on top of that.
then wena then o gopiše ke ntse le feno
Transparency. You can't. I mean, like I'm doing this brotherly, so I'm doing this committed. Like I'm helping you with everything. You can even go through my TikTok. Like there was a full of the posters of the event. I was doing it willingly. But the next thing when I ask you, let's do this, you say is like was on sideline and Che out of the blue. I mean, like, dog, I'm doing this with a good heart. On top of that, you smashing me out. I just
oh
thought
hey okay
Yeah, you know, I think
hey
the choice of words
so
will
so hey guys let's use
okay.
this ways
pulling
o
out
smash
and,
ka eng jalo
Can we just use better words, please?
smashes my.
Marisha, let's come back. Let's come back.
It smashes my ideas. Anyway, we're in the
Choice of
holo.
words. Choice
At
of
me
words.
like, yes,
plus machana ga boka tsebiselo majeja
yeah.
Ari, welcome back. Ari, the focus.
Yes.
The
Both.
focus. Yes,
Thank you,
the
Tshepiso.
focus.
Yeah, no,
taba golo shiki
Yes.
ke nyaka wena o ino mputse yona mrena le go events keng
Oh.
o ke re o re bontsha yona
Yeah, no, Lekolo Events.
Yes.
It's a company that started like let me just say like 12 years ago.
okay
Yeah, it didn't start right now. Like
Okay.
we mainly focus on doing events. That's why it's called Lekolo Events.
okay so le go events ke the name of the company
Company, yes.
e le goreng e hosta this event ya go by the way go ke gae phela go
Yeah.
go ze di big gae so e le gore hosta this event ya go gae so event ga se le go event e la go gae
Yeah, that's a launch.
okay if le go events ke company event la le bitso la yona keng
Lekolo Events launch. It's an official launch like where we are doing it in. That's why it's called Lekolo Events in launch in gospel vibes.
okay
Like
tlhalosa
in a
jwang
gospel way.
tlhalosa gore jwang
Like maybe I should start by also like talking about the company itself. So
Okay,
that-
yes.
Yeah, so you can understand. Like the company events, we host events, like we cater events, like weddings, funerals, corporate events, birthday parties, etc. A lot of things, and we also do hiring, equipment hiring. Like maybe let's say next week lianyala, something like that. Or you want like the full set? We do full set, lili koloi, the bride, the groom, family,
Okay.
everything. Even helicopter lianyaka, they provide
eng
helicopter.
okay
Everything,
Okay.
the chopper provider, everything. Yeah, and also like the bride's gown, everything.
At home.
MC,
Ke lenyalo feletse
waitress.
mos-
Like we cater everything. We cater
ba ka go fa mosadi
Le mosadi re a mo tlisa.
wena o kgona tlo le noša botse lenyalo la felela
Le a felela,
Yeah.
re na le package tsa gore maybe you if like ya nyala ka December, ke re la itse December re a nyala. So you can also pay monthly. Like you start paying
Okay.
now so that you focus on installment, and by December you pay up the full deposit, and la nyala ra lefa an amazing wedding or a birthday or a corporate event. And also business launches as well. Like we are launching. Like it's a massive event.
It makes sense now because so local events, I see the event, the name of the company.
Yes.
The event ke local events launch. It launch in terms of making shows because they've had other events which are not like this kind of event. Yeah, gospel and this. So that is not a gospel event. Let's start there.
I cannot say it's not a gospel event.
Okay, it's also a key event.
It's an event. That's why there's also an after party. That's why people were contradicting. Partly gospel.
Add me there. I was also confused because initially introduced. It was kind of like we thought. Actually, we didn't think it's a gospel event. We thought it's a Sion gospel event because of the lineup. Even though it was not declared as a Sion gospel event, because of the lineup, we just assume, I get it. And then how? Lepaga, Iban, okay? Lepaga gospel these days. Oh, okay, okay, this is no longer. No, even before Paga. It was Majwala. So, yes, so, but I can reveal Morana, So you are saying, what do you mean? I was asking, is it not a gospel event?
Like,
or is it two events?
Chapters. It's two events in one event.
Can I just
yes, maybe it
this is an amalgamation.
Okay.
A combination of gospel. I get we're going to be worshiping, right?
Okay.
Remember, we are youth. And then a whole lot of things that happen. The after party.
Okay.
So some people get long weekend. So we're going to have the gospel edition. Then later on, Bao Banyakang. Not everybody is forced to be a part of it because I saw a whole lot of people asking They are actually accommodating everybody. Only the non-alcoholic beverages and alcoholic. And it's up to you. So event ya gospel re fela. Re ya go tribe.
It's not like then if we're not looking what you came for is this
gospel you can go home. We're not gatekeeping anyone both
MC as well.
I'm MC.
Yeah,
maybe. I'll decide. I'll decide.
Can I interject?
Yes.
Also? I got to Google or search something for explanation. You're gonna get a lot of explanations.
Yes.
So I'm still gonna explain what they've been explaining here. This is a launch. We are launching Le Kholo event. I think this word launch, it's a like another problem over to they don't understand or launch.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Ria baya hloma. Officially so. So what's happening is that during the day there's gospel event and after 12 there's compo and everything. Thing is, it's a display. What's going to happen on the whole event launch?
Okay.
A display
of what they can do.
Yes, what they can offer. What I mean, Kore, you will see eventing. There will be a table of certain things. There will be certain chairs. There will be a certain like services that they will be rendering in terms of Leholo events. Meaning when you think of Leholo events, you can't think only about gospel. You can think of good man. I can get the tulo the party. I'm just giving you an example.
I get your point.
I can get Leholo. Mara Leholo can do a compo event, not only gospel.
I get your point. So basically, what they're gonna be displaying there,
it's their business.
It could be another event. Deal organizing but they offer these services, tents, sound.
Yes.
So what they are doing is just that the only difference is artists they check Mara there could be someone on go as it be or Mlijo or whatever when I go to the event and I go to homecoming ya mama ba hira
Ba
with the
outsource,
setup ye le gore
yes.
ba tla ba idea gua.
Yes.
So they are showing what they can do.
Yeah, so
All
for
these maguzumela tables and all this is what they can do for your event.
Yeah, I just think maybe it's important to also say this. This is like Agiri is also saying like it's a business. So we can't be saying or like we're hosting an event only these particular church members are allowed. That's why I also started an after party so that it shows that we accommodate everyone. Not saying because of so if we are doing it like accommodating everyone is much better.
Oh, so this is you in a gospel event.
yeah, ki God
Re
of all
tjemong.
denominations.
Ne.
You and Apostola Maza, bonke Nkozana.
What's the way? I agree. Let's say bokgotsong gang fela mona.
I mean,
Tjemong.
it's a godly introduced.
Eh,
Eng?
ra le tsebisha.
Godly.
Oh, le thoma ka go irapella pele bro.
Not necessarily go e rapelela.
Eh.
Okay, the gospel part. I get it since it a launch. So re launch we are allowing each and every ibile west part ke mahala. I don't
Ne.
know decide
Best
gore
part.
yena-
Yeah,
Okay,
that's the
okay,
best
mean sorry, the best part. The best part. The
Yes.
best party ke mahala. So everybody is allowed to come. But now jwa kerekeng e feng e tlang. And then obviously later on the artist
car.
tjela le bo DJ call me ba re accommodate ka mo. So it's up to you gore o utilize monyetla o wa mahala.
I
jwang.
mean, like, with Madisha, you gotta define a word event. You
what?
can't a word event.
Event. Oh yes, yes.
You can't think of gospel.
Gospel. Ne?
Events can be anything. Soccer match event. Party, you have 21st event. You getting my point?
And it is exactly what Lekgolo can do.
Yes.
Ba kitara for all this. But can I wonder why is it be? Why is it be?
Bare charity begins at home.
Home for okay. Okay. So that's why by Thomas it be.
Yes.
Because the whole event, the organizer Jagona did was it be.
Yes.
Mara I cater only for Batubas was it be.
No.
Yeah. Mahala maraban.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
It's a long.
Like I think like the reason why we're doing it at home was just trying to give back to the community as well. Like showing
Yeah.
that we can also do a massive event, like bringing the best quality.
Yeah.
High. Yeah.
Yeah, because we are not used to this kind
And
of
yeah, and another thing, if they are launching it now, because it be people who have the idea, or okay, sharp, the whole events, something big. Because I think a whole lot of people maybe as it be, babakabali demand, or we never get to have the events jedu rule. So they are bringing something because the events are long distance. So really mahala so. I don't think the second one ever got about tickets they will complain because this is epic. I want to book a big artist which are mahala.
everyone. Who's who?
Exactly. A lot of people are coming. Look at the lineup. Look at lineup yeah, the after party. You are coming to see Tribe, DJ Call Me Bonati for free.
And I mean, like, Bona or what did they do? Pitori, there's a transport from Pretoria. I mean, like, they're accommodating everyone. And
Le ba go tswa ka moo.
even Polokwane, there's a transport from Polokwane.
Bana go tla ba monate da.
And it's basically for free. I mean, like, from Pretoria, it's 350 return. You even get a shed.
A shed
Yeah,
on
and
top
a
of
quality.
Yes.
Yeah, and it's a quality. Yo.
Eh.
Forgot
So
to
when you
tell.
buy a ticket
Anna.
for bus first keeper, and then also if you're buying a t-shirt, you are going to get yourself a VIP ticket.
Wait.
At 250. If you
wait.
buy a 250 ticket
Or
t-shirt,
a
right?
250 t-shirt.
Yes.
We get a VIP ticket.
Yes.
VIP in a link.
I'm not quite sure, but I guess
I get really. I wanna said we deal with my Q tents, like exclusive
Yes.
tents. You'll be enjoying the show. Being seated on a comfortable couch, like with a table, you can order yourself food, drinks while you're sitting down. Like that's all. That's a privilege. Other people are. The general is gonna be outside. They're gonna be standing. I'm not trying to say general is sweat or anything, but I'm just trying to say like it's nice to
Mara,
enjoy the show.
if you want that,
Mhm, yeah,
if you want
that,
that, then you can buy a t-shirt. I'll get a ticket to I'll get a skipper plus that privilege as well. Oh, okay, babe.
so. Those are the benefits. If you're buying a bus ticket, you're going to get a Lekgolo events t-shirt, and the quality.
Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, I read perspective of it. Okay, what a bus event. Una go yada. We get a skipper. Not to say or you also get VIP. Mar go reka skipper. We get the VIP, the VIP ticket.
Yes.
Gape, ke bona hore, like as I was saying earlier, you called who is who. Kamu gospel ya rena. Akerna mo ke mmino son podcast.
Yeah.
Like tlo like ka ba rena akere.
Yeah.
Ka khutsong ke nyarna.
Yes.
What was the criteria ya go bitcha this artist? And because someone I can't remember some pitch. Because I agree it's not everyone who is there.
Yeah.
Criteria ya go bitcha batho be leng.
Okay. The selected ones.
Yes, the ones ba ba leng
Okay.
gona.
I think the team itself it decided gore these are the people that we want to call. Asi right re topa mang re wena o nyaka mang o nyaka mang. The team e dutse fase ya decide gore this is who we want to work with. Wabo. So ke bona ba decidileng. Asi right re no Madisha wena o nyaka go tlo bona mang. It's a free event, free access event. They made the call. Ke bona ba contributing to calling those artists. No one has any other say besides Team ya Lekgolo Events. Ke bona ba kgethileng. The decision is final.
Ba se ka ba kwatela lene ya ba re lena ga selna.
Exactly. Team ya
Asla ba
Lekgolo decide
recommend.
le gore re bitša 1 2 3 ba e tswalela. So I feel like going forward ba tlo fa ba bangwe opportunity.
And I mean, like, the whole point about this whole thing, it's quality. They're trying to show you good. Local event can offer you quality.
Amen.
I'm not saying, but Baba Sintemori post there as quality. Please don't bash me on that one. I'm just trying to say, good. It's a free event for heaven's sake. But on top of that,
Quality,
they bring you a whole quality.
And this quality that you don't even get sometime more the paid events.
Exactly my point.
Keep mama quality event, quality artist job.
You can't say quality
no,
event.
no. Okay, no. Okay, let me rephrase this question.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
I'm not trying to say gore ke bo mang ba le gore ke di quality on the lineup. I'm trying to say, okay, maybe let me ask it this way. Re botse batho ba tla ba le mo lineup.
Yeah, I think you could have just said the demand. You know, I get like when you go through social medias, I mean, like people you see good. Oh, people love Tiro. You get him a point. Why can't I call him? I mean, like people, if they see Tiro on the poster, obviously they're gonna be like,
Yeah,
the lineup is full. Even if you haven't put out everyone, they be like, Tiro is there. I'm going there. You get him a point.
Mpotse ba bangwe because e re ke thome ka mapula Monyepao. Who else is there?
We've got Mapula Munyepao, we've got Sekhumozo Shuping, we've got Wachum Lilo Wachum Kuku,
Quality.
Pretoria Park Choir,
Quality.
Sioni Jerusalem,
Quality.
we've got Dorara Mukobala,
Quality.
we've got Silonkosi.
I'm just trying to say, show you the people who do, because there are some probably who are watching from
Okay.
WZB and all this who don't know these
Yeah.
people, and they've never seen these people live. They're going to get this quality for free.
Yeah,
Eh.
we've got Matume Make, we've
Tshegofatso.
got Mora Cheche, Tshegofatso Mokabane,
Yes.
we've got Lion Gwangwa. There's a whole lot of artists that are coming. A whole lot. I think people can also check out on all our Lekgolo events, social media platforms. They can get to see what the artists did. And they are uncountable.
35 plus.
35 plus.
Hello,
For free.
Nako, are you a manager?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we manage.
Are you a manager?
Re tlo thoma ka 12. Yeah.
Midday, yeah.
I'm getting
To
like
what
it's
time?
starting 12 o'clock afternoon until the following day.
Wait, no. E are na ya khutsong keng. If what time?
The estimated time it might be like around 12. Let me check.
Vale ba batho ma 12. Bol bag.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
ke ma
Oh.
ke le
after
kompo.
party.
Oh, you kick it from 12 to 12.
Yes.
Then this because if ili free so ili go sports ground which is accessible for most people. I get it. If free and there's quality of artists coming. Safety,
Yeah.
there is stampede and stuff.
Yeah, no, there's going to be a lot of safety. Like from I wanna read ko Harakwat. So like from Skontiri to where the super sports ground. There's going to be like I can say like the guard of honor.
But
There will be, like,
bam-
security.
Eh.
Yeah, and there's gonna be a fence. Yeah, there's still
From
fence.
Skontiring. Skontiring ke gole from
Yeah,
there.
they're like safety first. And safety first. So everyone is gonna be
Bana ziri biya welwa bana.
Lekgolo is bring you quality in everything.
Ape ke tshoka ke tore ke tshoka ka gotsa security
guard of
gate.
honor. Yeah, already lady still tend to like Lee fence. And there's also gonna be bodyguards. And currently when you more TikTok or Facebook or
Eh.
bodyguards every corner. So it's gonna be it's gonna be very much safe.
Ke nagana gape le go tlo ba le a whole lot of compliance ya go searcha because it's a
Yeah.
free event for the sake of safety ya everybody that will be coming there, more especially the artists, the event organizers. Obviously, you guys know the event ya mahala was barely security, you know. So go ka ba le maybe a bit of surveillance go kwishisha gore re kgone go bolokega on the day.
Okay, sorry. So yes, you mentioned already there will be lots of surveillance because
Yes.
of the security. Yeah.
For safety purposes, because you'll never know gore motho a o mo memile nthweng ya mahala
Ne.
a ba ikemišeditšeng.
Plus, yeah, so security has to be very tight. And then let's talk about, because as expected, I'm sure you guys expected it, the moment, because as I was saying, the expectation with the event, most people were thinking, is a Siwodi gospel event. Then it's Maguzumel. Yes, obviously, like you guys were expecting the kind of response here. Italy. The rationale behind it, I think, to say people was socially with touch the rationale behind having Maguzumela clarified for Batwell, and they might not understand why we have this kind of setting. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Angela also like try to stipulate or we cater events. In one of our services, like maybe you're in a birthday party or you're hosting a birthday party, you're inviting exclusive guests and stuff. We also like do VIP sections, and in VIP sections, like for those who drink, they will be provided with alcohol and also non-alcohol drinks and also food as well. So that's the purpose. Actually, they were trying to show people what we can do. You understand? And we're not trying to discriminate people who go to church and people who don't go to church, because this is a business thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, so basically everything will be there.
Everything will be there.
Yeah.
I want to bring quality, high quality to the people.
And then also there's like a bit of entertainment. So we've
What do you mean a bit? There's a lot of entertainment.
Okay, I get it
Aside.
like aside from music,
Yes.
we've got David Jokes,
Okay.
David the entertainer. He'll be
Alright.
doing a bit of comedy. So about something you can check him out on social media. And then I think for the after party we'll be having with this normal boy as the MCs, Libo Beth, Libo Karen.
Okay.
So let now also be there because now I'm versatile. I don't
Ne.
really focus on gospel.
I'll do pay.
For those that have been to events Jeloring, they are
They're
not
not.
gospel, they know that I give it
Ne.
yeah. So
That is
go to
nice.
Bamunat, we can't wait.
Amen.
And for Askis to interject.
No. Let's go.
And for me to say I'm looking forward for to see Pretoria Park. Here's the thing. Ke stage.
Ne?
Artists can easily communicate with the audience. They can do whatever they do. That's a choir, first of all. So what I'm trying to say is that I feel like we, as fans, we have boxed them for a long time.
Okay.
More longer, we only want to see them on one place.
Oh.
So I feel like this event again, it's gonna expose them. I'm not saying they have never.
I get your
performed
point. Basically, gives them a chance to be amongst the best.
yes, because that's where they belong,
Ne?
according to me.
your point.
There's
Yes.
gonna be a
It makes
lot.
sense.
The lineup is quite crazy.
Amen.
And then it's mixed. It kopan, like bakopanchiche. Maybe I'm not sure if they're going to have live performances, but we've got obviously the artists Jeloring, they'll be doing gadi backing, working gadi instruments, right? And then also Ronale, Ronale Wachumlilo as well. It's coming. So ba mixije the types of artists. The choir Park is coming. Sioni Jerusalem is also
Leswika as
coming.
well.
We've got Scorpion Gospel Choir is also coming. Leswika la Moteo. So re accommodate everybody. Or okay, Mura Church is coming. Ku Apostola le.
yes.
Go tlo ba mnate.
And on the contrary, like also like those artists that will be requiring vocal and will be singing live. Yeah, the lineup is quite crazy. It's gonna feel like a competition, like you're saying, exposing in matters of the lineup is quite crazy. Like we have like stage people in a proper way. let me just say, Wachumlilo with Pretoria Park, like they're gonna be following each other. So you're gonna see, it's gonna be like sort of a competition.
So right lo cha cha.
Eh, ke re
So
cha- cha-
itlo
cha.
ba o itlo ba gore
Bona.
this inako ya the live performance ja di choir.
Yes.
Ke sebe not so sorry. Wachumlilo Phaka,
Iswika.
Iswika,
Sioni Jerusalem.
Sion Jerusalem,
Magi Gospel.
Scorpion Ling.
Le Magi Gospel, I was at the.
Oh yes, I saw them as well. So this will be Elina Gwabona. Really, when this is your kind of
Yeah.
music that you are looking forward to,
Yes.
these are the people that you are going to find.
Yes.
And then you have Mapula Munyepao, who's going with Bumusa.
Yeah,
So-
Musa Mhlauli and Pinky Pecha.
I wanted to ask one point to Webulela. You were saying already there will be people when they are doing live performance which will have begging. What artists they will come with Abatu Maema. They will be obviously quite ready. I will be disappointed if they are. So when with the live band.
I think so. I'm not
Yes,
sure, but I think
Mapulena
there will be-
always does.
she does live
that, yeah.
performances. Yes, Gadi BV Jagara, yes. I think a few artists will be and are capable of doing live, and then some are comfortable. Ka go opela ka music wa bona already.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, what I mean, I still,
What's the
still,
matter, Pag?
I still, no. I'm not going back to Pretoria Park.
Yes.
I'm
yes,
still,
yes.
I'm still in a way, have a disagreement about this live performance thing.
You to be a jelly with
Yeah, I'm not. That's why I'm saying I'm not opening another
Yes,
debate on
yes,
it.
yes,
But I'm
yes.
just
Yeah.
saying, I'm just saying, for people who are coming to the event, they mustn't say we expect this and this. It's a event. It's a it's a local event. I mean launch.
Yes.
Young Tol. So
Yes.
any artist who wants to perform
How
for
they want
us,
to
yes, for us live, they can do that. Khoskabar after event, but someone was singing his song.
Nah.
You getting the
But
point?
it was a good thinking. The versatility that is on the
Yes.
on the
On the
lineup.
lineup,
Yeah.
it will cover
Yes, if we're now Omaima, there will be one for you.
Pretoria Park. will
Yeah,
be
there will be
for
people for you by law and they cater
Yes.
for what you want.
Yes.
If you're comfortable with people who are miming, you are welcome.
Yes.
You will get bao Maima.
Yes. And I'm sorry to favor Pretoria Park.
Eh.
What I'm trying to say,
It's just
what
the
I'm
best.
trying to say, Kore, Wachumlilo, we've seen them. We know them.
I get your
Bo
point. Leswika.
Leswika, we know them. We've seen them. Now Pretoria Park in my life as Fiso, I've been seeing them.
Hello.
Oh,
We are put you under pressure.
they must.
And let's make up I want can you feel it?
Yes.
I want to ring.
They must perform. They must just be free. And like
Yeah.
about tape, you getting
Ne?
the point.
And-
Vocally, they're good.
People of ZB, of course, go Milatu maybe around ZB, but they also have not seen Pretoria Park
Yeah.
performing.
Yes.
Other than just being Gomlatung, but MCR
Yeah.
or
Yes.
But yeah, so now they will be performing
For us.
for them.
Yes. They will be called on the
Ne?
stage. Are you ready for Pretoria Park? They will even feel it. To say, yeah. This one is different from what we've been
Ne?
doing. Yes.
The people of ZB and the surrounding guys, please come to the event because all you need to do is just find a way for yourself to get there. Then when you are there, me will sorry 10 ratanyana ya orega sa gore o kgone go thiba thiba. Let's captain ga le gane captain mos.
Ah, no,
Kule box dia tsena
they're gonna be searched.
ne
Yeah.
a le dumeleng wa go se
Yes, you're allowed to bring your own food and stuff, but you're just gonna be searched, and we're just gonna take
for weapons.
safety. Yes, for weapons. Because people because we have Maguzumela and there's alcohol there. Some other people, when they're intoxicated, they tend to.
Okay.
Yes, so
Ne?
we're gonna make sure.
I think also if maybe le ge re ka initiate mo tabeng ya mabetlelo. I think bottles shouldn't be allowed, but yes, you can come ka cooler box ya gago mara ebe strictly cans because ka mabetlelo anything can
Le
happen.
thaba kudu le.
Yeah.
Thaba kudu le.
Ka after party wa
le bet bozo mo.
Hey.
Also the crowd and
Bo
stuff.
mo ba re di bamba.
Oh, wow, Mara.
When I believe you pulled that off my shoe.
Mara we thinking, man.
Orar one pele bambar.
Eh, that's the way. I don't know what guy.
No, I'm just overthinking.
Yeah, ne?
So I was going to bouncer. What do you think you bouncer? Skabelela Sifiso,
I share my enemies. The bands are already thing. The
So we're
bands
not
are
able to say, but I want to let the
Yes,
bump-
I
the
think
bump-
it's Sifiso Rutombele. I did say Tunyana or Avesi.
Yeah, so guys, anything that you would like to give the message for the people who will be coming, for the artists, you guys can leave a message to Lokolo artists and the people coming. When to the people coming and the artists.
Okay, to touch on Tabayadi artists that will be performing on that day, can we please respect time? And can you, lady service provider, try and communicate? Or utlakai, how far are you? This thing of saying, no, kisatla muletlane, and you're not sending us your live location also, like it's totally wrong. Learn to communicate, le batho ba lo reng ba go hirile o tlo render your services. Communication is very important. And then also, I heard communication about what is it that they will be expecting from us. Re tseba gore, okay, sharp, madisha o nyaka metsi, o nyaka di power rate. Re tseba gore we put them aside for you so that we set itinerary ya di artist. Re tseba gore mang a fihla o tlo dira 1 2 and then the time slot batho ba modimo ya gore wena o fihlile early re go file time slot wa re ke kgopela le ntsentšheng, that has to come to an end. A re hlompheng other
It
artists.
has been planned.
Yes, ke go file nako ya 12. I expect you to be there at least 30 minutes or 10 minutes or maybe 20 minutes to prepare. Re kgone go botsa batho ba lo reng they'll be in charge of the sound and everything that you are here so that they can prepare you. Time management is very important. Ge o le artist. And then what else?
Little Suba.
Another thing I'm also going to talk on Tabeng Yaka because I'm also going to be one of the MCs. One of the reasons why we sing Kodi eventing is because we're trying to also cover up Taba ya gore you are late.
Oh, not really audition.
No, you are late. We are
Wa cover-
diri
o cover
ka
the
mabom.
space.
Ke entertainment. Are diri ka mabom because a watla ka nako ya gago. So nka se kgone go tsentšha Wayne ka nako ya gago. Already time slot ya rena ya tlhaka-tlhakana. I saba the way we planned it. So it's also one of the reasons why we sing sometimes, not always. Recover up nako ya gore you are late. And then if you are late, a re tlo go tsentšha.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Then refund.
Yeah, despite the fact that
Aba refund the rest.
There's a
what,
contract, like she was talking
Okay.
about. Helmet.
paperwork.
There's
like,
always
yes.
paperwork. There's a contract, like it's stipulated that the terms and conditions for the artist and also like people with stalls and everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
and then the artist didn't really tendency ya really emergency. You don't do that.
I
Don't
see-
lie
I didn't agree
about,
na je.
yeah, like don't lie about. They do
different.
that a whole lot. Like badira, they repeated ganchi, and it's frustrating for an event organizer because at the end I'm going to ask you when mang why asat while ele fault ya artist. I get about blame the event
And
organizer.
a go easy go bolla gore ke fault ya gago.
Exactly. So it come back to rena but oh okay ba re tshepiso e tla mara
okay.
you were late maybe our the phone or our communicate o bolela maka on top of that. That has to change.
So there are the consequence if
There are big consequences if you don't arrive in time and also don't behave in
appropriate manner.
appropriate way. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, and also like dressing as well.
But
Yeah, we can expect you to be a gospel artist to Daga Bikini.
okay.
Yeah, Daga Bikini only artist.
But later can I later can I
But
yapa.
later on
Bana para later ona kere ke ona eh. Re nyaka
Ke
tsona
nako tsa
tseo ka
bona
di after
later,
party.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna be like it's a dire consequences if you
Okay.
don't adhere to the contract.
It is good, man. I like that because as I was saying, already there are some people that now I've invited from around the guy, and these are older people, right? It will be somehow for them to come, and there's this artist that they've been looking forward to see, and then this person is here. It's not the kind of person. It's not the in a state they would expect her
yes.
to be. Wangazan, and then after I got closer, I ring to like what like getting utabale al now all of this you go with it's been like so it is very important because this also is not, as we were saying earlier, this first of its kind collaboration. So some of these artists that they are going to be singing is going to be for the first time.
Yeah.
For some of them, it's going to be first impression for them. And it's going to also put an image on our events. This is not only about local events.
Yeah.
I am talking specifically for Sion Gospel events. Because now if they come there and the event is not well run, number one, the artists are not well behaved, It's the same thing that you see people bubble at the event better now. But I was trying this and this and this. But if this event, number one, ever good, it's good for local events.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's also good for Sion Gospel events. Because next time there's a Sion Gospel event, they're going to expect the same thing.
Yes.
It's like that event, it's like the teenager. But if this one says the standard and people, they respect time. Because now 1 a.m. to 1, 2. It will go out because, as you said, tomorrow 12 to 12. Some might say, okay, can you say 7?
Yeah.
So I am taking to get one up to Park 5.
Yeah.
Peter Park 5 people like on like 8.
Yeah.
So those kind of things really low but even next time kai event artists will say get a lot the event going forward.
Yeah, and
So,
also
Yes.
an
also
artist.
Yes.
little paperwork. Like sometimes for on my side, I always specify if I've got like the gigija long distance. I specify that I'm going to need accommodation. So it doesn't matter if the event is going to be happening. I can't 26 and Sunday. So it's not a problem for you to also initiate the team ya lekgolo, okay, le ka nombukela ke tlo fihla Saturday so that you can rest, so that the following day it be a bit better for you to come to Super Sport. O ska ba le ntho tša gore okay ke stuckile trafficking, ke kry-ile punchara. Like you need to relax.
mara,
Okay, nagane and
se ka tla
prepare
ba-
yourself. Yes.
Ka ba nyaka accommodation. Ka le lebele. Ka nyaka accommodation. Mara
Last minute
yes.
preparations are very hectic. Go nyaka accommodation le ka tšatši la mafelo. Just
Yeah.
plan ahead your things, then o tseba gore you'll be settled, you'll be relaxed. O tla bo ke prepare o le sharp.
Yeah, and now again, my message to the people who will be coming to the event. I mean, like artists, ba rile dinale contract. Don't think ukuthi butumela le botsofatso they're gonna come at 5. No, you must know ukuthi anytime they can perform from 12. So what I'm trying to say, come as early as possible from 12 until 12 because gospel event it thamaga 12. So e tla ka pila o ska nagana gore di artist di o tla late di nyaka performa ka bo ma 6 yona.
Yeah, that's not gonna be.
Di na le the contract as he said ukuthi they will be around the premises I think.
O ka jere selfie le bona le beng.
Yeah,
Exactly.
like, if everyone managed to see like how the layout is going to be, like stage, there was a poster posted for like Oremo, Otava, lady artist. This one is a general tent. This one, like it outlined or like artist. If you pay like a VVIP, you're gonna be sitting with the artist and also respective guests. Yes.
Okay.
And ke mo how excuse and ke mo how like barely you can bring anything of yours.
Like
I
you
mean
said.
like your cooler bag,
Okay,
your what
yes, okay.
whatsoever. Are trying go ba le botho re laolegeng. That's a very I don't explain about my privileging I've never come across. I mean, number one, it's a free event. They allow you to bring your own thing, even though there's stalls in the premises. I mean, like the only thing I ka ba lebogang ka yona ko no behave
Go
pila
laolega.
fela.
Yeah, I never
Re
scared
kgaohane
the
le tse dintši.
expectations. It's a free event.
Jwang.
People o tlo utlwa gore ya no a re nyake mang a tsana nakwe, you know, like the audience di jwang ya why o ke a tsena ape na re nyaka na the tsena ka nakwe he
Don't say adibeti batho.
That's
cheeky.
Or
So,
just
and
be
then
removed from the
also
premises.
for preps ya batho ba batlang, it's advisable to have if obviously you must arrange transport, your own transport, and then also we also need to speak about taba gore di bus di tlo tloga nako mang from Pretoria le ka Polokwane. I get I'm not sure about the time, so arranging transport if a le tlo tla ka di bus ja legolo, I get and then also charging the phone, have extra cash, bring metsi or any
Unless you want to buy meat.
unless you want to buy, but bring yourself dilo tse goreng you want or give the basic needs to avoid go tshwenya batho. And then I think also chairs, camp chairs, the umbrella, and
Prepare.
then something
Towel,
warm,
re
towel
hloka.
nyana, something warm, and yeah.
Yeah, I was about to
I want to tend to know. I want to start tend to know.
Another tent.
Yeah, ka tent.
Awa. I was about to comment on the way of warm, but April. We are going towards May.
Otherwise, what
winter.
am I early?
Yes, you
Yeah.
must
Go
come with
doing.
yes, especially bana ba o tlhabo mo Pitori bo Polokwane. Tlang le di jersey ka mo busing for he le nako e la makompo o ska feel left out or yo ka itshola ne ke ya kae.
Yes.
Prepare yourself more as if
but-
like we are
Otherwise, back on the strategies.
Yeah, mara
Not
eh,
tough.
a se bothata eo, ma.
Wa kry-a o setse o le moletlane.
Mare go
Yeah,
utlwe
di-bookings, eh.
mare go utlwe ba re Pretoria Park ba tla ba tshwere di jersey
Tsa bona, oh.
Tja bona.
Bana ba ba re jersey.
ba re le ba tla ba tshwere tse extra a ke itse mare ke utlwile
Ah, wa se yona, eh, wait.
Tse-
A se yona, ba re.
He, o sena jersey o nyaka motho wa Pretoria Park
O na le jersey extra.
Maybe re tla dira di-hoodie tja legolo events ga le kwa P4 la
You
reka.
can buy.
Yes.
Ne? That's-
They will be there.
That will be a great idea.
Yeah.
Ne? Nice. Guys, I thank you very, very much. Hopefully the people are looking forward to the event. Right now, what we will do, we will bring Chiwo, Zion Kitingwe. Zion Kitingwe.
Ke artist. Ke artist.
Ke artist, yes, Zion Kid.
madisha motlhompe ke artist
Oh, wow. Oh, ke Zion man.
Awa
Zion Kid.
awa ke artist there must be a difference between us and our
Eh,
artists
oh, ule ke yena a confirmile.
oh
On
ke
this
re
very
ke a mo
platform.
emelela
On this very platform, yena a confirmile hore ke Zion Kid.
Aowa.
Are forever yena.
oh ke bone ka mokgwa aparang and wa re
Zion Kid.
represent
Zion Kid of note.
yeah
Yes, le Jiggy. Okay. Zion Kids of Note are here. Ke na le Jake le Chiwo. Chiwo will be there. God, for instance, Zion Kid, member of Pretoria Park, as an artist himself, as Chiwo Faso. Chiwo, how's it?
Mr. Madisha.
Mike Hausi Papa. Mike
Kgotso
Hausi
Modimo.
Papa. Hey,
Mr. Madisha.
Dijile Mazasa.
Yeah,
Okay.
Zazazel.
Okay. Just give me some Mazasa.
Yes, sir.
Boy, Mike Hausi boy.
Eish.
I don't want to oblisha
Ape,
what's tsantsa ona go be gausole mai.
ke tswa gabotse ba.
Yeah. But
Yeah, ne.
extra realizes something. Keep it like le
Ke na le
mabitso, ne?
ke na le mabitso.
Ne?
Yes.
Nice man. Eh man, lokolo ilitswere gabotse.
Yeah.
Abe ke bone ka event ya when was it? Ka di what was it?
Promo.
Promo ya
Mr. Price.
Ka Mr. Price. Ke bone le jile ka
Yeah.
di keeper da.
Bona.
Ne?
But that's a fair.
Le pakebe ya pere keeper tsa ona ne?
Yeah, yeah.
Ne?
Tsa go posting.
Ne?
Yeah, like poster ine le mo skipping it ona.
All right. Boy,
Yeah.
diberisha ba
Kgotsi ya Modimo a be le lena.
Amen.
Hello everyone. Tshofatso Mokabane here. La ntse ba ka mokana ga lena. Le ba ba sa ntsebeng ke Tshofatso Mokabane. A ke ithata ke re ke nna gaka.
Yes.
Kgolo of Maletsedi.
Yes.
Ke a wa rapela. So yeah,
Yes.
nna ke sopedisa mmino wa sedumedi. Based mo Pretoria currently. Ga ke tswa Limpopo.
Yeah.
And
Limpopo guy boy.
We are going to Limpopo.
Eh, o tswa Limpopo guy.
Limpopo ga Sekhukhune.
Yeah.
Yes, go na le motsana ka mole.
Yeah.
Ba re ke Ienza. Ke mo ke tswang gona. So go representa Limpopo, go representa Pretoria. Le go live
o ba buditse ka event. O buditse ba tla.
ke ba boditse ba tlhonyarela ka mokana ga bona. Yeah, ke ba boditse gore no ka mole se vitiela ka mole.
Ne.
Go riega nthung. So ba ile ba re no che gore tlo go bua bua ngwanisho. Ne ke le gae ka di Good Friday ke ba fa di pamphlet.
Ne.
Ke re no go direga nthung ka mole mahala fela. Cause ke they were so excited ka yona this event cause ba re ban le re tlisetsa bo le fa Africa apona re no bona mo di YouTube le re tlisetsa mo pule mnyepao go like batho ba kwa gae I feel like ba ntwe ba ihloka kudu ka matla yeah and re le boga ba le go events ba ile ba tja matsapa gore ba thome gae
Ne.
ba fe gae batho ba gae dilo tse di botse before ba etla magweng
Jig. Insa. It's reg. Eh, when you play a role if mo eventing.
Ke promoter
Yeah.
influencer.
Ne?
Yeah, I advertise
Ne?
the event, yes.
O fle jwang ka event we?
It's a amazing event.
Ne?
Yeah.
O ile wa ya ZB man.
Yeah, habedi a raro ka melato.
Eh. No reka
But
event
no,
when.
I'm gonna
yeah.
get the full experience of
Ne?
it, yeah.
The whole problem gore mola gonna gravel ke buy o ZB mara anyway. Ke jamishe tsa
Wa una gravel re lokisitse tsela.
o gane go le gana o tsara re tla ba ra ba botse ba councilor. Yes.
Tsela e sharp.
Yeah.
Yes, boy, what are you mostly looking forward to ka event?
Sa mathomo ne e re ke lebogele go le events man. Ba le go le events re mo tumoleng e one le bona. And then ba bone go le bohlokwa gore e re thome ka di artist tsa rena ba ileng gore re mo tumoleng e one. Wa bona a se nka ba tlhoba reng and so se must tell you something about local events gore the intentions tša bona ke eng ka Sion Gospel wa e bona taba so empha gore ba tlogo ba e rata kudu ka madi cause kana na re ba tšere 70% if not 80 or 90 yeah 70% ya Sion Gospel and then ge ba tlo dira di event tše dingwe tša Sion Gospel I'm very much certain gore bana ba rena ka mokana ga bone artists tša rena le tše e leng gore galeng tše isa create the opportunity they gonna get the opportunity so for that le go le events re ba leboga because of ba bantši re gone go ja the platform ka bona so modimo a ba dire ka go loka so I'm looking forward to performance tše massive I know gore the artists tša rena nke ba re feila and then ke a tseba gore no they gonna do the best. So the event ka yona presentation everything you poster social media ya ipolela gore no mo le re hwetša dilo tša quality so empower le di event tše dingwe tša legolo if ever ba hosta a gospel event batho ba rena se be le go se bona kwa ZB ba tseba gore no di event tše dingwe di tlago they gonna get more.
I like point we evolving yeah utuma at home
yes
ne? Because so many people think of our
yeah
Minosun podcast Minosun they think of our events get the mediocre again so it's time we can have events ja Sion Gospel top quality and who is who can do what is best can still be there. That's why now the one thing that I ask the most, guys, especially from the artists, good behavior.
Yes, sir.
That is very important. Maybe also because I don't want these people to feel worried. So to those who are coming, especially artists, even fans as well, the followers and the supporters, it's good to be on your best behavior there.
Yeah.
Go gospel event. It's event somewhere and all stuff. We can understand. It's not acceptable as well, but for ARNA, let us try by all means or a protector refer a good image so that even next time local events event the same, let's say ZB again, but this time but to they can go and still pay and still be safe. So let us do that. What are you looking forward to, Chick?
Meeting people of ZB, having fun with them, things like that, and performances.
It's you're looking forward to one.
No, as I wanna like the group with the mole, Victoria Park, Wacha Mukuku, Liswiga, same time. As I good eventing as I before. The first time ever. Happy this after party, rolla talo. Until always.
Oh, le da putla go isa. Apo wena energy drink ka energy drink inchi. I get it. Apo tla pele ba go tla pite ba tla ba tlogile fro. Basically 24 hours.
Awunye.
Hey. Awa. Awa.
Ske war le kata.
It's one up top.
All right, yeah, no, it's gonna be nice, man.
Yeah,
Guys,
it's gonna be
I'm
nice.
very happy. You know, something that I've seen,
Yeah.
Kalokol, which I've appreciated from a distance, was I had a privilege of talking to some of the artists. I understood how professional the whole events was with them. I have heard from them how professional they were, from discussing their contract to settling or to say, well, okay, we've got you, we are booking you. I've heard the professionalism was top notch. It's only left for the event now.
Yes.
So that is where I've got no doubt already the event is gonna be of top quality. I have got no doubt on that. I just hope our people come to part, because this I'm very worried about. Because I know, and it's not because of local events or anything, because of I know how people behave, and I hope it can be different this way. We can start set into a standard on a different level to say, this is what we can do, this is what we will start doing from now on going forward. So our people must come, our artists must come and be at their best behavior, dressed well.
Dressed well.
As you were saying, Aurora buy a tie. Just dress a little
Wow.
okay.
That's in the proper way.
Ne presentable. Ne dress in a way or it shows you are a gospel artist, because
sir.
you book them as gospel artists.
Yes.
Right?
So you should behave as such.
Ne?
Yes.
Yeah. So afterwards, after party,
After party.
ke bona moo.
Bikini guitar.
Yes. So the information here the bus.
Yeah, the bus. Yeah, the buses will depart from Pretoria at 8 in the morning. Yeah, Coast State Theatre.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Polokwane. Kuna le bus engwe ko Polokwane. It's also both of them, they are return trips. The one in Pretoria, it's 350. Yeah, it's 350. The one in Polokwane is gonna be 150, also return.
Okay.
So we'll publish where is gonna be the pickup point for the one in Polokwane.
In Polokwane. So people must check your
Yes,
social
our
media
social media
pages.
platforms. Yes.
That is great, man. Guys, I'm very excited, guys. I'm excited about the day. I'm excited about the event. ZB Yawelo. So tell somebody to tell somebody or go Zebediela Supers Sports Ground. Tlabe go le monate da. Security, safety, tlabe le gona. To those who want VIP tickets, as you had, or I guess keep us at 250, you get a VIP ticket where you just safely live.
Yeah.
Look at life, like life.
Yeah. Most definitely. Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for coming. And to the event organizers, future event organizers,
Yeah.
Chiamayele. Chiamayele on, not to say you're not doing it well. I'm just saying Chiang where you can, the positive where you can, like how we improve it, because
Yeah.
we want the event Jarena to be something we look at and are proud of. Or invite the people to come, because when you invite the people, someone can go to explain the whole event.
Yeah.
So go explain because what is happening in there is not of good quality for the eye, even for music. Guys, gents, thank you very much. Gents and Tepizo, thank you very, very much. Local events tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. ZB, Tango.
ZB, we're coming. Tango.
Modimo, Monalisi.